Hey guys, it's your girl Shay. Welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to be doing a what waist review. I don't know if a lot of y'all know about this, but this is honestly one of the best waist trainers I've had. I also did an everyday makeup look tutorial and I untwisted my hair as well. So if you want to see all that's going on in this video, honey, keep watching. So let's get ready to untwist this hair. I did wash and twist my hair on Thursday. Today is Saturday and I let it air dry for those few days. I typically wash my hair, twist it all in the same day and let it dry. As you see, I am going in with my Carol's Daughter hair oil. I did just get this and I haven't used it. As you can see, it is still full, and I am going in with my pick. I'll use that once I am all done untwisting. Now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I was supposed to record a video of me washing my hair, but as you see in my other videos, I had twisted my hair, and once I took them out, I was just so lazy, and I like the twist, like how curly it made my hair after, like for having them been so low. So I left them up for a few days, and I just got lazier and lazier, and by the time I did wash my hair, which was a week later, it was all matted and it was just too much, and I was washing it for about 45 minutes. So honey child, no, I wasn't gonna do that. So yeah, I twisted them and I just didn't record that either. So but if you guys do want to see a video of me twisting and washing my hair, comment down below and let me know, because if y'all don't want to see it, then I'm not gonna waste my time doing it. Okay. Y'all see how I made sure I had some of that oil on my fingertips? Please make sure you got some oil on your fingertips, okay? We want all our hair to look nice and shiny. Oh my God, look at them nails. Both of my thumbs split right down, not right down the middle, right across. And then one of them had the nerve to bleed. It still hurt. Look, listen. So I'm basically showing y'all like my curl pattern is different right here than around. See, like you can see it's different right there from then the rest of my hair. And in the front of my hair is different too, because sometimes, or all the time actually, I didn't do it this time, my twist in the front, I do have to put like a perm rod around it with like the end and then twist it around, just because my hair in the front doesn't curl how my hair in the back does. So like my ends, I don't know if they damaged or what in the front, but they don't curl how they do in the back. So sometimes you know you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, y'all, so I have already took down this half of my hair. I'm over here doing this half. I don't really have, oh, it's all on my face. I don't really have anywhere to go today. Really just going to do a little shopping with my mom and sisters today. Well, that's the plan anyway. But I'm just gonna finish taking the rest of this down, and yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Oh my god, I'll be so in love with my hair after the process is done. Look at it, so pretty curls. Anywho, so this is how you take apart your twist. You basically take a piece of twist and you just divide the hair in about 4 to 6 pieces and twist your finger in the direction of the curl, and that's how you twist your hair, baby. And I know some people, or a lot of people, actually like to do their edges or their baby hairs. I don't necessarily do that. I do it probably a few days in after my curls have already worn down. But I mean, you natural, so why do I gotta slick my edges down every day? For what? This is my natural hair. So once my hair and curls start to get old, then yeah, I'm gonna do it because I gotta make it look nice. But as of right now, no. Now it's time to use that pickety pick. Okay. So, yeah. You don't want to pull the pick through your entire head. Do not do that. You're going to mess up your curls, girl. And you didn't waste all this time and all this energy for nothing. Because your hair finna look a mess. Because you didn't comb through all the damn curls. Why'd you do that? Anyways, take your hair and you just comb it through the root, just the root, and you take it out at like so. There you go, like so. At the root, push it up, fluff it out. I did put a picture of my hair in here just so you guys could get a better look at my curls. Oh my god, look at those. And now in this next picture, excuse it because I did have a bonnet on like a few minutes before that and I didn't fluff my hair out, so yeah. Look at my hairpin. It's so cute. I got it from the beauty supply store by my house. But anywho, don't worry about how it's in. I never know how to put these damn hair clips in. I don't even care. So let's get into these brows. Clearly, I skipped over the part where I actually did my brows. I don't know what happened to that clip, but I do use Brow. It's by Benefit. I got it from Ulta. It's like a brow dip. It's really good, and a lot goes a long way too. So that's one thing I do like about that. I am using MAC Pro Longwear. I forgot the number. Concealer to conceal my brows. Now when I do conceal my brows, I don't always go above, and when I do, I definitely don't go all the way from the start of my brow, just because if I do miss some concealer, I don't want it to just be sitting there at the top of my brow or in the middle of my forehead. You feel me? I don't like all that. So, and I like them to look a little bit more natural, so I don't conceal like the whole brow area. Okay. I know you guys can see on the brow that I'm on right now, I have a little scar right there at my arch. I had my eyebrow pierced it was actually a lot of years ago. And I had some twisting and it yanked it right out. And it didn't even hurt either. I don't think it was done right, but that's neither here nor there. That was a long time ago. And then on my other brow, I actually have a mole right on my arch. So I don't know what was going on with my brows, but baby, it's something wrong with both of them arches and they still look good. Blend. Oh, bless me. Wasn't nobody there to say it then, so I just said it for myself. Thank you, self. You so good to me. Yes, period. Blend those eyebrows, girl. You don't want to look like no ghost, do you? They gonna talk about you. So now I am concealing my lids. I'm using concealer that I use on my brows. It's the same one that I'm putting on my lids right now. After I use that, I am going in with the loose powder and setting my eyeshadow just so my eyeshadow doesn't move when I apply it. It doesn't crease or anything like that. So I am using a crayon case powder. It is just a loose setting powder that I use all over my face, but like I said, I'm just using it to set my concealer. So any powder that you have that you want to use, you can use it, but that is the powder that I used. I am so happy to be doing this video because I've been wanting to brag about the Juvia's Place palettes for so long, and I got 4 of them. They black owned, period. That's all y'all need to know. Y'all need to go shop, and they palettes are wonderful. I use their foundation as well. That is amazing. Like, I really love this brand. So shout out to her and her brand. Go get that. The other palettes I am using are not right now, but later, because I know I didn't show it. It's a white palette. I am using Jaclyn Hill. I actually have 4 different Jaclyn Hill palettes. I got them, I want to say maybe 2 years ago, from the Morphe store at Somerset. If you're in Detroit, then you know what Somerset is. And I got them 4 for $50, 4 for $55 when the Morphe store just opened. Can you believe? Girl, no you can't, because I still can't believe. What? Now you can't really see it right here, but I did go in with like a little gold brownish shimmery color in the tear duct of my eye. Even though this is like a little quick everyday look, I still wanted to have a little something just because my eyes are so big and pretty. I feel like I could do anything and it still be, you know, natural. So I didn't do any foundation for this look at all on my face. I kind of just went with it real quick. I didn't do any lashes. I did do mascara. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this is not your normal everyday makeup full, you know, tutorial. This is just something really quick. I'm about to run somewhere, you know, something real cute and simple. You ain't got to do the whole thing. You can still be cute. Let me tell y'all something about liner. Liner is one of the hardest things for everybody. If you can't get that wing liner, baby, I messed up like twice doing my liner, and I hope I edited it out. I'm pretty sure I did. But yeah, sometimes you got to go through with the concealer and fix that wing. Sometimes your wings ain't even. Sometimes it don't matter because your lash is so big you can't see the wing. I wear glasses, so a lot of times I don't even really care. But because it's cute and people can't really tell, and if they can't tell, they shouldn't even be. Why you so close to me? Huh? You in my personal space, 6 feet, honey. Peep the mascara face I'm about to make. I know every female make this face when she about to put on mascara, because when you get that stuff in your eye, it hurts so bad. And trust me, I do it often, so I know. So I did end up putting on a lip oil just because I didn't like the way my lips looked or felt. And I wasn't finna go right at that moment either, so I didn't feel the need to put on anything else.
Hey guys, so let's get into putting this what waist trainer on. So it goes like this. Pull this part apart like this. Oh no, my eyes itch. Okay, so then you want to unzip this. Now this is my favorite part because the waist trainer I had a few years ago, it was the corset type, like the bra hooks, and you hook it on. And like I said before, it's just me here and I need help, and ain't nobody here to help me, so I definitely needed this zipper. So once you do that, you want to take this apart like this, bring it up towards the middle. To me, if you start down here, you will never get it on the middle because it is a little dent right here because of my bra. So I am going to zip it right there, or start to zip it right there, and I'm going to pull it down as I start to zip. So grab that part, pull, zip, pull down some more, zip, pull it down some more, and zip. Boom. So I keep mine down here just because this is my problem area, my extra fupa or whatever you want to call it. I don't care. Take this part, boom, wrap it around. Mine's, everybody. Oh no. Okay. So everybody's will not come right here. Mine's definitely don't. So girl, don't worry about it. Okay, it is what it is. But as you guys can see, I have the waist trainer on. And I love it. It's actually pretty, made my butt a little bigger if you ask me, because before quarantine, there wasn't nothing pumping out there. I mean, I was working out and stuff, but like I said, this here thing is the best thing since sliced bread. At least one of the best things, honey, okay? So this is it. It's very comfortable, very stretchy. This is the back of it. And yeah, this is it. I definitely recommend it to people all the time. It was about $90. I don't know. I think it was about $90. But yeah, it's very comfortable, flexible. I keep it on for about 9 hours sometimes, depending on the day, how my work day is going. This thing is really good, and it's definitely super comfortable. Just make sure, please make sure you take the test online and get the size that you need, okay? Because if not, then you're gonna be out of money because they ain't gonna take your stuff back, girl, okay? But anyways, thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Even if you didn't, girl, give it a thumbs up. I don't care. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on social media at Shaquana_ on Instagram, and my business page, The Galore Experience, on Instagram and Facebook. So yeah, girl, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.